At one time, lawyers usually practiced in one province and one province only, and it was very difficult to get permission to go to different provinces. In the last few years, the western provinces have decided that lawyers can go from province to province in order to conduct trials. And so this has opened up the markets, and it's always good for the clients because it's more competitive. And more competition means a better chance of excellence in performance, but it also means lower prices. It's a lot like athletics. An away game is always makes you bring your skills up, and it really increases your ability to perform. So when we go to other provinces, very often, not only do we bring a different perspective to the defense of our clients, and not only do we come from a very competitive environment, also we find in terms of pricing, even with the cost of travel, our prices are extremely competitive. I think that's great for people. That competition is excellent. You're not stuck with the 5 or 6 people. Now you've got access to anybody in Western Canada who has that level of expertise and experience, and you can get them for a comparable price. That's good for the consumer. And I don't see how that's bad for people. And I think it's also good for the profession because you need to bring your A game. Now, one of the markets we're really looking at particularly is Edmonton. I have a lot of family background in northern Alberta. I've been there a lot of times throughout my youth. It's also a place where the 3rd Division of the Canadian Army is, and one of the regiments that's based there is my old regiment, the Princess Patricia's Canadian Light Infantry. Having served in the military, I get along with military personnel very well, and I understand them, and I'm able to communicate with them very easily. My wife always jokes, she can tell when I'm talking to an ex-soldier because we fall into our very own sort of shorthand method of communication very, very quickly. Someone can be a brilliant soldier and have the expectation of having a fabulous career, and that can come to a very sudden halt if the case isn't handled properly. If you are in the military and you've got yourself into some sort of trouble, then do not hesitate to call us. We're very happy to come and help you. But for anybody in Western Canada, anybody who finds themselves in trouble with the law, who may well want to have a different perspective brought to bear and may want to avail themselves of our services, give us a call. And we'll be blunt. There are some cases where you don't want outside counsel. There are some cases where hometown advantage counts. And we'll tell you, if we think that this is not in your best interests, we won't be shy about pointing you in the right direction. But if we think that we can help you, then we will help you. It's not really a question of why would you bring in a BC lawyer, it's a question of why wouldn't you? We like doing what we do for a living. And having the opportunity to defend other people in other jurisdictions is very exciting, and we're looking forward to doing more of it.